Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something straightforward but important: how to cancel your J.Crew credit card in 2025. Whether you're switching to a better rewards program, cutting down on expenses, or just simplifying your finances, knowing the steps can save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First off, before you pull the plug, double-check your account. Log into your J.Crew credit card portal online or through their mobile app. This is crucial to ensure there are no outstanding balances, pending transactions, or annual fees you might forget about. If you owe anything, pay it off completely to avoid complications. Once that's sorted, contact J.Crew's customer service. You can find the number on the back of your card or in your account settings. When you call, have your card details ready. They'll need to verify your identity for security reasons. Be polite and clear about your intention to cancel. The representative might ask why you're canceling or even offer perks to keep you as a customer, like bonus points or a lower interest rate. Take a moment to think it through, but if you're set on it, politely decline and proceed. They'll guide you through confirming the cancellation, which usually involves verbal agreement and sometimes a confirmation email or letter. Afterward, make sure to cut up your physical card and monitor your credit report for the next few months. This helps prevent any unauthorized use and ensures everything processes smoothly. Remember, policies can change, so always refer to J.Crew's official website for the latest info in 2025. There you have it. That's how to cancel your J.Crew credit card hassle-free. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.